Hey there, want to learn how to maintain your electric car yourself? Today I'm going to show you 4 super easy steps to keep your EV running longer and smoother. Let's jump in. The heart of your EV is the battery. Battery icon first. Check your charge level. Don't fully drain it. Stick to the manufacturer's recommended levels. And keep your charging port clean. Simple but life-saving. Tires and brakes are critical for safe driving. Regularly check pressure and inspect wear. Remember, well-maintained tires and brakes keep you safe and save energy. Electric vehicles work like computers now. Keep your vehicle's software up to date. Updates prolong battery life and boost performance. Don't skip updates. Small step, huge impact. Keeping your car clean is essential for longevity. Protect electronic parts from water. Tire and rim care keeps your EV stylish and high-performing. That's it. Your EV is now well-maintained. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Share your EV tips in the comments. We'll learn together. Okay?